see what's going on, man. Y'all see what's going on. Let's get right into it, man. We got the 65 Omega Turbo Kit. You know what I mean? In this box, I think you have the charge pipe, intake, rest of the hardware for the kit. And in this box, you have the actual turbo kit itself. So it looks pretty good. I don't like opening too much stuff, but I definitely wanted to show y'all this bad boy. This thing looks sick. Let me pull her out. That's what she said. Let's see. Give y'all a nice unboxing. Y'all look at this shit. Shit's a badass bitch, man. T51R mod comes installed. Oh my god, bro. When this shit's on the car, this shit's gonna be purring, boy. Look at that cross. You know, we gotta stay blessed. Got the thing for the extra top end. And 2-port too. This shit gonna make torque out the ass, man. Can't wait, bro. Look, to me, I feel like it's like a 62. It's like a 62. I feel like this turbo is like a 6258. Feel me? The back housing just makes it look like a 58. I don't know. But 65 Omega probably. Yeah, probably like a 64 then probably. Yeah, this thing looks sick, y'all. I'm in love, I'm in love. Yes, sir. Shit going on the 5 Series, y'all. You see the drag pack underneath it with the Mickeys. I gotta swap the tires out because... Oh, focus, man. That happened, y'all. This one had a staple in it. This one got a slow leak in the tire. I don't know how. So yeah, time to swap them out. You know what I mean? I was driving the car a lot. I did drive him to Miami on damn Mickey Thompson, so. But I ain't doing that no more. I'm only putting them on when I gotta put them on. This turbo, y'all. Look at that thing, man. And it's gonna be bottom mounted, so you won't be able to really see it. So I kind of like that too. But you're gonna definitely hear this bad boy. This bitch gonna be sick, man. Intake and all that is in the box right here. Intake, charge pipe, and then I got the PI kit already ready for me. You know what I mean? So whenever I'm ready, you know, this shit go crazy. We're gonna go crazy, you know. And I got a Gen 1 charge pipe right here. Yeah, I got the Mickeys up top right here. Oh no, I'm tripping over. And then I got something special coming for y'all in that box right here. Now it's just really just saving for transmission, you know. I might as well save for a transmission, and then I'll handle cooling. I'll do an intake manifold, and I'll handle the cooling shit later. You feel me? But yeah, saving for a transmission right now. Get that transmission in. Once that transmission is in, these niggas won't be able to see us. You know what I mean? Yeah. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Appreciate Remnant Performance. Although y'all niggas took 6 months, still appreciate the product. It looks real good. It looks real nice. Yeah. It came in 2 separate boxes because it was a lot. It wasn't just bunched up in a big ass box. You actually organized with it. So yeah, you know, see what this baby turbo can do, man. Shit clean, dog. This is beautiful. Let's look at the back part. Let's look at the back part. Yeah. That shit is tough, dog. Runners. This turbo gonna get this car. It's gonna wake this motherfucker up. This is like a pure 900. You can make 900 horsepower on this bad boy. You know what I mean? That's all I need, you feel me? Stock setup. So it's gonna be reliable. Still utilizing the EFR, you know. Just gotta get it tuned by the GOAT, Sam. Now we outside, man. First LCI or the big turbo. We doing it, man. Gotta put this back on because we got some construction about to go on in here. And we ain't want no dust in our turbo, you know. That's why I didn't want to open up that box, because I don't want to infect the intake manifold, the intake with dust and stuff when they're doing their little construction. I might bring this to my room, actually, you know, to keep her safe. But yeah, man. I'm in love, y'all. We're gonna definitely put out some great content. I got another video coming for that, so stay tuned for this one. You know what I mean? But yeah, big turbo is here, guys. Let y'all look at this thing again, man. Let me show y'all how it spins. I don't know, my focus is acting dumb. No play, boy. That bitch mean. Big blades. You should see the blades on the stock turbo, like they're just so close together. Can't wait to hear how this bad boy sounds, man. I cannot wait. That shit's gonna be whistling. Oh my god, man. T51R mod on this shit. Cannot wait, bro. I already started. Man, we're feeling good, man. Let's see what the 540 can put down. You know what I mean? Taylor Swift.
Big body Supra.
Gonna fuck them up.
Ladies and gentlemen,